Hey, this is Pragya Shaha, and today I am back with another video. And this video is going to be about another petrology book of Igneous and Metamorphic Rocks. So, this is Hyndman's Petrology of Igneous and Metamorphic Rocks. You see? So, yeah, Donald W. Hyndman. This is again a not a very common book, but is entirely again on igneous and metamorphic rocks. I will quickly go through the contents. So it starts off with plate tectonics and petrology introduction. Three main classes of rocks: igneous rocks, classification and characteristics; magmas and their behavior, classification and characteristics of igneous rocks; crystallization and melting conditions of igneous rocks, experimental and chemical behavior; magma characteristics, internal processes and generation; igneous rock associations, description, occurrence and origin; mafic and ultramafic associations; intermediate to felsic associations; alkaline associations; kimberlites. Petrology of metamorphic rock. It starts with metamorphic petrology now. So we have the classification and characteristics of metamorphic rocks. Okay, here is we talk about the metamorphic zones and metamorphic facies, the textures and structures of the metamorphic rocks, naming of the metamorphic rocks, broad classification of metamorphic rocks, metamorphic processes, metamorphic reactions, the movement of the constituents, determination of the parent rock, causes of regional metamorphism, the conditions of metamorphism, controls of metamorphism, graphical representation of mineral assemblages, determination of the conditions of metamorphism, reaction boundaries, chemical geothermometers and geobarometers, interpretation of the pressure, temperature, environment of metamorphic facies. Why I'm reading the subheadings? It's because this book is mostly good for metamorphic petrology rather than igneous petrology. So yeah, metamorphic rock associations, description, occurrence and origin, types of metamorphism, metamorphic facies separately, origin of igneous and metamorphic rock associations. Here we see the overview and the integration of preferred theories of origins of igneous and metamorphic rock associations. So that is it. This is one of the good precise books, not a very famous book, but a very, I would say, good reference book, especially if you have to refer to metamorphic book. This is one of the good metamorphic books I have felt. I have tagged certain metamorphic chapters where I have read about it. Otherwise, the problem with the igneous portion is I felt like the text is very confusing at times, but otherwise for metamorphic this is a good book. So stay tuned. Hope you like it. See you in another video. Up till then, ta-da.